Hey everyone friends, it's Valor here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new libraries folder in Steam. First, go into Steam settings and click library here, or rather storage. Then choose, well, a drive, right? And here. Click on the three dots and click find folder. As you can see, we already have a folder or we can create another one. Click create and folder and then you select it here. Like it's going to be here. You can also delete the library, right? So let's remove it. And also when we add a drive, right, or pick another location, click add and then choose the spot for your new location. Just make sure the folder is empty. That's it. Also, there can be only one library on one drive. That's important. That's all. This was Valor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.